Bernalillo County District Attorney Raul Torrez with us here. We're talking about pretrial detention. So if this bill were to pass and be signed into law by the governor, how would the new system work?
So what it would do is it would give the courts clear direction from the legislature, and for people charged with serious violent offenses, that's murder, sexual assault of a child, armed robbery, and also gun-related crimes, if you brandished a weapon or discharged a weapon. Those would all be subject to heightened scrutiny, and the default would be that we're gonna detain these individuals unless they can give the court some compelling reason to show why they can be safely returned back into the community. It's not an automatic detention, and it's something that has been in effect in federal courts since 1985. And one of the interesting things, you'll hear this debate going on in Santa Fe about how all of this process would violate the Constitution. Mm-hmm. The problem is we've been doing this in federal court for 40 years, and I think most federal judges would be shocked to learn that they've been violating the Constitution for 40 years by doing something. And it's just another example of New Mexico turning a blind eye to pragmatic solutions to everyday problems and ignoring the experience of other court systems and other states. And what we're trying to get people to do is take a step back and recognize that this is a serious problem, number one, but it's a problem we can solve. The fundamental piece, though, is you can't ignore it. And we still have too many people in Santa Fe who are doing everything they can to try to convince themselves and the public that this isn't a real problem. And that's just not right.